Hello everyone. Today we're talking about an important topic, cybersecurity and why it matters to all of us. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access or attacks. In simple terms, it's about keeping your digital life safe, whether it's your emails, bank accounts, or even your social media. Every day, we hear about hackers, data breaches, or online scams. Cybersecurity is important because our personal and professional lives are connected to the internet. Without proper protection, sensitive information like passwords, credit card details, or business data can be stolen. That's why both individuals and companies need to take cybersecurity seriously. So, what can you do? Start with simple steps. Use strong and unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, update your software regularly, and avoid clicking on suspicious links. These small actions can protect you from big threats. In short, cybersecurity is about staying safe in the digital world. The more we learn and practice it, the more secure we become. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my assignment solution for more tech awareness videos.